Shifting focus, now it was an idea that was conceptualized in 1960. 5 decades later, India's first war memorial has taken shape. The National War Memorial was dedicated to more than 25,000 martyred soldiers and will be a source of inspiration for generations to come.
Righteousness, which the Lord, the righteous judge, will award me.
An eternal flame that will remind the country of the sacrifices made by India's armed forces. India's National War Memorial is a reality now. Dedicated to 25,942 soldiers, this memorial will be an inspiration to every Indian. Names of the fallen soldiers have been engraved in gold on granite tablets. These tablets are placed in 16 honor walls in 2 concentric circles named the Tyag Chakra. 6 bronze murals depict the famous battles fought by the Army, Navy and the Air Force. A 15.5-meter tall granite obelisk with the eternal flame adorns the memorial. And close by is the Param Yodha Sthal, an honor for the 21 winners of the Paramveer Chakra. India's Prime Minister, flanked by the Chief of Army Staff and the Defence Minister, inaugurated the memorial that was built at a cost of 173 crore. But to the nation, it is priceless. It is now open to the public decades after the demand for it was first made. The National War Memorial, spread over 40 acres, has been a long-standing demand of the armed forces. The proposal was first made in 1960. But it was only in 2006 that a formal proposal was made. In 2015, the Union Cabinet gave its nod to the National War Memorial at the Sea Hexagon, a little to the east of Amar Jawan Jyoti at India Gate. And in 2017, began the construction of this mega memorial. The Indian Prime Minister dedicated the memorial to the nation. Before throwing it open to the public, Narendra Modi addressed ex-servicemen at the National Stadium. He blamed his predecessors for not delivering on the demand made by the armed forces and credited his government for putting India first.
जब देश का सैनिक सशक्त होता है, तो सेना भी सशक्त होती है. देश की सेना का मनोबल देश की सुरक्षा तय करता है और इसलिए हमारे सभी प्रयासों में हमारी सोच और हमारे अप्रोच का केंद्र बिंदु है हमारे सैनिक.
This is a symbol of the nation's gratitude, a symbol of the sacrifices made by India's forces and their families, and a reminder of the valor and dedication of those who made the ultimate sacrifice for the country. Bureau Report, WION, World is One.